Stupid bird review! It is the stupid bird review with a stupid bird. This bird is so stupid. So we got Stupid Bird Review episode 13. This is the Eurasian Nuthatch. So the Eurasian Nuthatch, this one was released for the RSPB series, the European version of the Wild Republic Audubon Birds. And this is the Eurasian Nuthatch from RSPB Birds Collection 3, I believe. So this one's pretty good, actually. Pretty good, in my opinion. So its wings are blue, kind of a bluish color. Has a blue head, and its back is like a blue-gray. And it has a press here sun. That's cool. Its tail is round and gray with black tips here. Kind of a bluish underneath. Same with the wings. Orange belly. White chest, a white face. And it has a black line over his eye. His eyes themselves are brown. His beak is half and half. It's like two-toned. It's black and gray. That's a pretty cool look. And it's from... mine was made in 2004. But it was released on April 23rd of 2003, so mine was allegedly made a year after it was released, which is pretty cool. So this one's not very common, at least for the US, but it's like decently common in Europe. I had to order them from Europe. So what would I rate this bird? Let's think about it. I think I'm going to give this one a 8 out of 10 because it's pretty cool. You know, actually, this bird is so awesome, I'd give it a 10 out of 10. Yep, 10 out of 10. Very good bird. I am glad to have it.